Noble Prentis Elementary was the recent recipient of a newly renovated library space. It will support teachers and students by providing new books, technology, and space for greater learning experiences. This new space was funded by a $70,000 grant, which was sponsored by the Big 12 Conference, Kansas City Sports Commission and Foundation, and the College Football Playoff Foundation. This project was completed as part of the CFP Foundation's Extra Yard for Teachers initiative. Students were surprised when they were shown the new library and excited for the opportunities that it offered.
New kids are going to learn more stuff, and they're going to learn faster from our new library.
Our new library is bigger, has more furniture and more books and shelves so people can explore and learn more, and I wish I could stay here another year.
Thank you to all of our partners for making this happen.